Hello, finally I got the Segway X260, something that I've been waiting for a while. I tried to get this for a long time. Because of the supply chain issues, Segway didn't have it in stock, so I waited and a few weeks ago I looked online and then I saw Best Buy had one. They didn't have the color I wanted. No, I wanted the blue, this is the black, but I compromised. It just triggered me to get it and share the experience with everyone, because this thing is truly the future. Another electric toy to my collection. Explore it and share it with you so you can have the educated decision if to get it or not. It's not cheap. Taxes, you're around the $5,500, but hopefully it's worth it. One thing to keep in mind, very important in our journey here, I want to make sure everyone is aware. We have the one wheel, we have now the bike from Segway. I take these things very seriously. Safety is number one before everything else, and we will go through a video with all the safety gear that I purchased later on. These things need to be handled with caution and respect. This specific e-bike is so you can only ride it on trails, in your neighborhood, I guess, off the road, not next to people, definitely not on the road next to other motor vehicles. It's just not worth it. It's dangerous. Just don't do it. It's for fun, away from people, just for yourself. Be safe, wear your protective gear and enjoy it. So let's start. First, we want to open this thing and try to build it, then go through the specs together later. Let's do it. Really packed well. Box of good stuff. The front wheel will have to be assembled. The rear wheel is already assembled, lucky for us, because this one has the chain and brakes. Okay. Look at this. This is beautiful. Really well built. Very impressive tire. Not gonna be easy, that's for sure. Okay, while I'm done with the boxing, I can remove my gloves. Usually I use the glove just not to cut myself. Okay. We have the instructions, screws, more instructions. I don't know what it is. Well, we'll find out. Some zip ties, more tools and tools. And this one is to tell you which part goes where, and it's all metal. Wow, this is really nice. It's metal, no joke. I'm not very technical. Maybe I'm tech savvy as far as computers, cameras, but as far as building stuff, I'm not really good at it. So that's going to be a very interesting experience. We have all the tools we need here. Quick start guide. I definitely need a quick start guide. Then we have user manual. Another user manual. Make me a little confused. I'm not gonna lie to you. There's a lot of pieces here that hopefully not gonna get lost. I'm gonna use the quick guide to try to do that, because the long one kind of intimidating and confusing. Go by the order. So install the handlebar. Let's do the handlebar. Okay? The charger. This thing is big. This is the charger. This is no joke. I finally got the front brake lever and the accelerator out. Now I'm going to install it. Finally got the handlebar connected. That took a while. That took longer than I would like to admit. But yeah, I think I aligned it nicely. It seems okay. I probably will have to adjust it at some point, but it seems that it's working for now. That was the headlight, which took me way longer than I wanted to do. Okay, finally get to the wheel part. And this is really complicated from what I saw. First I need to release the ratchets. See if that's, not gonna jump too much. Opa. Okay, it's actually not bad at all. It was pretty simple. This one is a little bit more stuck. There you go. There you go. That's it. Woo! This is going to be a little more complicated than wheel because I'm by myself. So I'll have to find a way to do it myself somehow. Okay, let's take the nuts out. From the brake, we're going to take that yellow piece out. And then we're going to need to loose the screws here. And put the wheel somehow. This apparently is way harder than it seems. To do it by yourself, not recommended at all. It's really screwed right in there, so I didn't want to damage it. And then I took the 8 key and I just basically push it, which seems to do the job. One side is out, the other is kind of still stuck. Here we go. Okay. Okay. We got it out. This is way more complicated than I thought. If you can take one advice from this is don't do it by yourself. Don't do it alone, get someone to help you. The wheel assembly was really hard. And I had to take the battery out because it was way too heavy for me. This is not one person job. There needs to be more focus and explanation on how to put the wheel. The instruction says just put the wheel on, connect it, but you need to lift it, you need to stabilize the bike, you need to make sure it's high that you can work. So you need proper tools. I had to use these boxes and this. Do yourself a favor, use someone to help you. So now we're gonna get to the last part and just tighten the screws and finishing up. Finally did this. So the two keys attached together with this rubber. So in order to separate them, you need to actually cut it. As soon as you turn the key, the light is always on, so just keep in mind. In order to activate sport mode to get the higher speed, I'll have to watch the tutorial on the app and activate everything. I'm okay with the maximum speed it gave me right now. I don't want to go crazy with this. There's like a safety mechanism here. If you have the handle down, you can't press gas. You just can't do that. As soon as you lift it, then you can. So, which is pretty interesting.